So within Catia we can output features or we can output planes, and this will be the difference. Let me just create over here a rectangle. If I will select this edge and I will output this as a feature, we're going to have it over here listed as an output, as a line. That means if I'm going to leave the sketch, even if I would hide my initial sketch, that output line will still be visible. And if I will go over here within the same sketch, and for the top one, I will output this as a 3D plane. Even though visually they will look the same over here with a green line, you're going to see that the difference will be that as soon as I'm going to exit the workbench, this one will be outputted as a plane. That means that my initial sketch will no longer be compatible with classical part design. As we can see, we have this profile no longer being filled. So I only have the possibility to extrude this using the thick option, and that will add additional thickness onto the sides in this case. So if I'm going to go over here with 2 millimeters, the output will be as following. So we have 2 millimeters on the sides, but the outputted element on the bottom, which was outputted as a line, is no longer available for that sketch, and over here within the output plane as well. That means if I will go back within the sketch, if I will delete those outputted features, now we have the original sketch. If I'm going to leave the sketch within the update, it will be as following. So I still have the pad using thick, but now I can disable that and I can have this padded classically. So that's the main difference between output feature, output planes, and how you can work with those. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.